just arrived in Preston at Moss Lane and we are here collecting my puppies. There she goes, that way. You're a good girl. Yes. Good girl. And you're going to come back with me. You're going to hate me for the first few days. Oh.
Oh, you're going to be sat with me for 2 hours. Yeah. You're going to learn to wait me real quick.
So this is Jack. She's a wide-haired, smooth-haired cross. She's 9.5 weeks old, and she's very floppy, and she smells horrible. So you're going to do it in... Right, so my mum just informed me that the pH balance is different on dog skin, so you have to make sure that you use special shampoo. And in this case, we're going to use some formulated shampoo for white dogs. Oops. Okay. Okay. Jackie. It stinks. You don't mind though, do you? End of the day. There you go. Well, I just woke up this morning after a reasonably good sleep, and as you can see, the puppy's laid here, Belle's in bed, and they're not killing each other yet. And what I was amazed of is that the puppy, before I went to bed last night at like 11:30, she went out for a wee and a poo. And this morning at what, 6:15, she went out for a wee and a poo. Amazing, came to bed and we're just like laying here waiting to get up. I'm going to try and get another like hour's sleep if I can. If I can't, I don't know. She keeps making these weird noises. Every time we move, she makes these weird noises. Like that. And Belle seems to be okay. So we're in day 2 of me having Jack back at my mum's house, and she seems to be settling a lot better. She's kind of waggling her tail and she's getting on more with, I don't know, she's getting more relaxed with the other dogs and with my parents. And here she is, she's eating at the moment. What are you eating, Jack? Jack! Psst, psst, psst. Jack! Oh, she's eating some kind of plant. I don't think she quite knows her name yet. Jack! Jack! This is Lily, my mum's dog. She's a Jack and she's very sweet. But she's been amazingly good with the puppy. Jack, off, off. You're gonna make yourself ill. Come on, off, 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 off. Ooh, oops. Oh. Oops. You're gonna water the flowers, Jack? Just thinking about it. Right in the house.
Hey, Vega, what's this? Bella. Stop eating rocks.
So this is Jack's new favourite thing. She is under the steps of the hot tub and she likes to hide out there and be naughty in general. And she actually started barking, which I don't really want to encourage because it'll be a pain. Because I live in London in a small flat with close neighbours. What are you doing? Ooh, you. Yeah, I can't really encourage that, but she's just so cute.
Morning, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I slept better than yesterday. And she's wide awake. Again, she's been to the toilet outside, one at 4 o'clock in the morning, and then one now, which is quite, well, it's amazing, I'll be honest with you. But I don't think I can get any more sleep. Belle, as you can see, is on the bed, but Belle still doesn't like going near the puppy. What was She's getting better.
Long drive from Sheffield to London, but I'm here now. Both dogs are okay in the car. Little Jack the Vizsla, she was at the back with Belle. Where is she, babe? So she was laid at the back, she was okay, and now we're just settling in. And she's exploring the house. I put a puppy pad outside, but this is a lot smaller place, so I hope that she's gonna kind of like use the balcony. I've got to take her up and down the stairs all the time to kind of get her into a routine. But for the time being, she's doing really well, very happy. I'm exploring everything, making a bit of food. What is she eating? No. There you go, straight away. Rock. It's 12:44 and Daniel's just about to come back from work. I just checked him on Find My Friends. He's like 5 minutes away. So I'm going to film him meeting Jack for the first time, which is actually his dog. Even though I've kind of adopted her for the moment. But look, she is sleeping. I can hear Daniel coming up the stairs. He just put the motorbike chain on the bike. He's here. Okay, watch his face. Hey baby. How are you?
I'm good. You're like, wait.
You want to see her?
Yeah. She's so cute. Hello. What's your name? What's your name, beautiful? Hello. She's so cute. Hello, Belle. Come here. Hi, John.
What do you think?
She's so cute. Hello. She's so like. Hello. Come. Wow. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello. Okay. She knows that this is beautiful. Are you done?
Hey, we are in Fulham and this is the day after last night when she met Daniel, and we have got our Daniel, do you want to hold the bikes? So we've got our bikes, we've got our little setup. So there's Jack and Daniel. My bike's on with the trolley at the back, and Daniel's the one on the right, and then we've got Belle down here who's going to follow us. Right, okay. Okay, let's jump her in, put her in the trolley, and let's go to the park. I don't think she's going to like it, but she might enjoy the trip.
How do you feel this?
Yeah, all the way around, Velcro at the sides and the bottom. Okay. At the back of the trolley, there's a little gap what I didn't close, and she jumped right out. Jack, what did you do? What did you do? Huh? What did you do? Belle has to go for a wee every time Jack wheezes.
She goes all over your face.
Yeah.
Come on.
Belle has to get a bark in. It's like wants all the attention. We're on our way to our caravan, which is currently Worthing, and as you can see, Jack is, well, I think I've just woken her up, but she was sleeping on Daniel's lap. Belle's in the back. She's doing alright actually. So we will see you when we get to the caravan. Everything's out of the car. We've put the shopping away. All set up at the caravan. We've had to put on a little bit of a rope because she's gonna, well, she's not gonna run off, but she might get underneath the caravan and get stuck. I don't know. But she seems to be enjoying it. We've just left the caravan and we are taking Jack, Daniel and Belle over to Bognor Regis. We haven't been there before, so we're just going to have a look on the beaches if we can find a dog beach and then see what she makes of the water. Well, I presume she's never seen it anyway. Oh, well, she's doing it. God, this is not a very nice place. Very pebbly. It was quite quiet. I mean, it's the third today, and the weather's still quite nice. A few people around. In general, say hello.
Come on. Sure.
Oh, she's having a sniff around. Yeah, you see that ball bell.
What's this?
There we go, first little paddle. That water is like chocolate. It's disgusting.
I only know Jack for 2 days now, and she already is following me everywhere, and we are creating this bond. We sleep together, we do everything together, and she's like really making me really happy. Because look at this, she is adorable. Yeah, no French kissing, please. Come on, Jack. She follows me everywhere. Come on.
Just arrived in Chichester, and look, charity shop t-shirt, here we go. And Daniel's got, is that a charity shop t-shirt, Daniel?
No.
Oh, okay, it is. Yeah, it so is. I don't know anything about this church behind me, but it is huge. Look, it goes right to there, it's behind, and it's beautiful. We're going to have a little look round, but from what I see, the whole place is very pretty, it's very clean. Yeah. Let's explore. How cute is that? Look, it's like a little clock tower thing. And look, it's beautiful, this town. That's the beginning of the church just there. They're doing some renovations, scaffolding up at the moment, but look, that is huge. For a little town, amazing, lots of buses. This town is so cool. And it has lots of little shops, really beautiful. Oh god, the dog sat down again, look. Now she's coming. Oh god. This little town, this little thing behind this little clock tower is amazing.
Well, we just turned around because I couldn't get a good shot of the castle. So, well, Daniel said it looked really nice, but as we're driving out, when obviously you can see more of the castle. So we're going to go back down the road and get out of the traffic, and then we're going to show you what it looks like from a distance. It is beautiful. It is like a fairy tale castle. So I'll take it quite steady because nobody's. And then go back up there. So just one last look at the village. Oh look, Jack's sleeping down there. Absolutely exhausted. So this is the last look at the castle now, and then we'll just turn around and go back to Worthing and go down for the evening, have something to eat in the caravan.
And drink.
And drink a bottle of wine, I think.